All right, so to turn on the selfie flash on your Android phone, the exact way to do this kind of depends on what type of phone you have. Also, worth understanding, most phones actually don't have an LED flashlight built into the front camera. Instead, they use the brightness of your display itself to illuminate selfies. On a Samsung phone, go to the camera app, flip to the front camera, and up top here, you'll have a little flash icon, and you can choose auto flash or flash on. Now, when I take a photo, watch how the screen illuminates bright white, which doesn't necessarily seem like much, but if you're in a dark environment, it does give you some extra light. Maybe not as good as a real flash, but a decent solution without building an ugly LED bulb on your front display. If you're on something like a Google Pixel, the setup's a little different. Go to the camera, flip it to the selfie camera, and tap the little gear icon at the bottom. You'll see a setting called More Light. Mine's currently set to night sight, so I'll switch it to Selfie Illumination. And that will brighten up the screen, but unlike Samsung, the screen stays bright the whole time, whether you're taking a photo or not. And when I take a selfie, it'll flash white to maximize the brightness. Screen stays bright afterwards until you turn off the Selfie Illumination feature. Lastly, if you're using a Motorola phone, go to the camera app, flip to selfie mode, and similar to Samsung, there's a little lightning bolt icon here for flash. Looks a bit different on Motorola, and this is sort of a hybrid between Samsung and Pixel. You get a brighter screen with a little preview frame in the middle, and that bright white light is used to light up your selfies. And that is how you use Selfie Flash on Android. If this video helped you, go ahead and click that like button for me, and I'll see you guys in another video.